Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I'm here with another question series related to angle and its measurements. Now we have a first sum. The sum of two angles is 5 pi radian and the difference is 60 degrees. Find the angle in degrees. See, first for the first condition is the sum of two angle is 5 pi radian. So first convert this 5 pi radian into degrees. So first solution, that will be equal to, let we consider here the two acute angle. The two acute angles be x degrees and y degrees. As we have to calculate in degrees format, so I have taken here x degrees and y degrees. So here we have given x degree plus y degree is equal to 5 pi radian, and another next given statement is the difference between these two acute angle is 60 degree. Therefore x degrees minus y degrees is equal to 60 degree. Here the degrees match, but here LHS is in degrees and RHS is in radian. So convert this 5 pi radian in degrees. So 5 pi into 180 divided by pi, that will be equal to 900 degrees. Now we have equation 1, that is x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 900 degrees. That is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is x degrees minus y degrees is equal to 60 degrees. That is our equation number 2. After solving this or adding this equation 1, add equation 1 and 2, we get 2x is equal to 960 degrees. Therefore x degrees is equal to 960 divided by 2, that is 480 degrees. Now further put the value of x degrees in equation 1, we get y is equal to 420 degrees. Hence the value of x degrees and y degrees is 480 degrees and 420 degrees respectively. Now turning to the another question, the measures of angle of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Find their measures in radian. See, we have given they have given us the angles in the ratio format. That is, the angle is having a common factor k. Common factor k multiplied to that, we can get the values of angles. So we take a constant k. For second solution, we take k constant, which if we multiply to the given ratios, we can get the value of angles. So consider first angle is equal to 2k, second angle is equal to 3k, third angle is equal to 5k, and we have to find the measures in radian. So we know that sum of interior angles of a triangle, that is equal to 180 degrees. So 2k plus 3k plus 5k, that is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of this is 10k is equal to 180 degrees. So k is equal to 18 degrees. Now multiply this value of k for the each angle, so you can get the value of each angle. So for first angle, that is equal to 2k, that is equal to 2 into 18, that is equal to 36 degrees. And 36 degrees can be written as 36 into pi by 180 for the conversion in radian. So that will be equal to pi by 5 radian. Similarly, our angle, second angle, that will be equal to 3k, that is equal to 3 into 18 degrees, that is equal to 54 degrees. And 54 degrees is equal to 54 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 3 pi by 10 radian. Similarly, third angle, that is equal to 5 into 18 degrees, that is equal to 90 degrees. And therefore third angle in radian, that will be equal to pi by 2. Hence we have got the solution. For first angle, the measures will be pi by 5. For second angle, the measure of angle will be 3 pi by 10 radian. And for third angle, the measures of angle will be pi by 2 radian. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.